Welcome to your midday sports. We kick off with football. There are 3 first-time overseas invitees in the Reggae Boyz 21-member squad for this Saturday's friendly international against Guatemala at the Red Bull Arena in Harrison, New Jersey. Those players are Lamont Rochester of Chicago Fire in the U.S. Major League, John Bell of St. Louis City SC, and the former United States Under-18 and Under-20 representative Kyle Duncan. Trayvon Gray, who picked up an injury against Grenada, is in the squad, along with regular players Javane Brown and Kevin Lambert. Romario Williams, Devon Williams, Tyreek McGee, Deshane Beckford, Jamali Waite, Amal Knight and Trayvon Reed are the other overseas-based players in the party, which is completed by Dujon Richards, Jamoy Topi, Demario Phillips, Ramon Howell, Shaniel Thomas, Shaquille Bradford, Kyle Ming and Richard King. The local members of the squad will depart the island on Wednesday for the match that is outside the official FIFA window. After Saturday's game, the Reggae Boyz will turn their attention to a 2-legged quarter-final playoff against Canada for a spot in the CONCACAF Nations League and the 2024 Copa America. The first leg is set for the National Stadium on Friday, November 17. Arnett Gardens came from 2 goals down to earn a pulsating 2-all draw with Harbour View in a battle of the former champions in Monday night's action from the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League. Ajuma Johnson in the 27th minute and Shaquille Bradford in the 41st shot the Stars of the East into a 2-0 advantage. However, Jamon Shepherd and Kimani Arborn in the 48th and 55th minutes respectively hit back for Arnett to earn a share of the points. Meanwhile, Vere United upset Tivoli Gardens 2-1 in the curtain raiser of the doubleheader at the Stadium East complex. Dustin Cohen opened the scoring for Vere United in just the 3rd minute of play. However, Barrington Price leveled proceedings in the 15th minute before Soje Graham put Vere back in front in minute 28. Defending champions Jamaica College are facing possible elimination from the Issa Manning Cup this afternoon when they take on Tivoli Gardens in their second quarter-final round game at the Stadium East complex at 2:30. The Dark Blues were clipped 1-0 by Hydel in their opening Group 2 match on Saturday at home. That result leaves the JC 3 points behind both Hydel and St. George's College, who had a 2-0 win over Tivoli Gardens. Should the defending champions lose to Tivoli and St. George's and Hydel play to a draw at JC at 4:30, then the many-time champions will be sent packing. Elsewhere on the day in Group 1, St. Andrew Technical can secure their place in the last 4 when they take on former champions Kingston College, who have a point at Stadium East at 4:30. The first match of the doubleheader at Jamaica College when they square off with St. Catherine High at 2:30. Mona are on a point while St. Catherine will be looking to stay in competition following a 2-0 defeat to Stats on Saturday. A scintillating display of ball striking from Glenn Maxwell powered Australia to an unbelievable 3-wicket win over Afghanistan in their ICC World Cup group match at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, India a short while ago. The Aussies set 292 to win, recovered incredibly from 91 for 7 to achieve their target at 293 for 7 with 19 balls to spare as Maxwell blasted his way to an unbeaten 201 with 21 fours and 10 sixes. This is the highest ever score in a successful run chase in World Cup history, as well as the unbroken 202-run 7th wicket stand between Maxwell and skipper Pat Cummins, who made 12, that being the highest in ODI history. The win punched Australia's ticket into the semi-finals with 12 points and tied with South Africa, who have a superior net run rate. Host nation India are the other semi-finalist. Earlier, Afghanistan posted 291 for 5, courtesy of an unbeaten 129 from opener Ibrahim Zadran. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.